Hey guys, Carson here from Allen's. I am here with Felipe as well as Jason from Sony. Jason, right off the bat, this feels like it is the exact same body as the FX3, correct?
It very much could feel that way because right now, FX3, FX30 in both hands. Take away the lenses, you're looking at very similar bodies, but there's a lot of differences there under the hood.
But this is a whole new sensor that Sony has not used before, correct?
This is a brand new 26 megapixel APS-C sensor that's been put into a cinema body. And this is a perfect way for us to start to showcase some of our latest APS-C lenses. On there right now, we have the new Power Zoom 10 to 20. Felipe has the 11 millimeter 1.8. And we've also got a 15 millimeter 1.4. All of these with the XD linear motors really centralized out towards content creators and videographers. I mean, we're looking theoretically right now at a cinema designed camera. It has a lot of the perks that came in the version 2 firmware here from the FX3, including the new menu. We're getting the Cine EI in there. It can be put in. You can program and bake in your own LUTs
it's a great
if you would
option.
like to. Yeah. I mean, we're also looking at some of the bare bones stuff, like it's 14 stops of dynamic range that's on here. You're going to have S-Cinetone as a profile. There's dual base ISO in there as well. We've got the extended shoot time on there. We've got the CF Express A technology for the cards there for the fast offload of 10 gigabytes per second with our reader. And as you and I have already discussed on the FX3, we just love the little features here. Having the toggle up on the front there to have the rec light displays front and rear. That extra highlight that's coming on the LCD with the now fully articulating LCD screen, which I know you've been looking for some time.
Absolutely.
This answers most of the things people have been looking for. You can buy into a system right now at a very good price point that has all the high-end features. And as we noted, FX30 can come body only for about $17.99. Okay, you want the top handle, you want the 4-channel and the XLR input? Okay, $21.99. That's still a deal for someone just looking to get into a cinema camera, and you're already coming into the Sony system that's gonna have all the email lenses.
This is such a compact, great little system to buy into, and it's really just showing the commitment that Sony's putting out here for their APS-C lineup for making this cinematography stuff a whole lot more accessible for everyone. If you want to get your hands on one of these puppies, you know where to find us. You can get our phone number, you can find us on Instagram, you can go on our website. This guy should be available for pre-order, and if you have any questions, you know where to find us.